Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and let's scroll down to the very bottom and find About Phone. Now let's tap on software information and find the build number. It is very important because all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. So we can go back to the general settings, and right under the About Phone we should have the developer options. Let's enter, and as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change some animation options. Here we've got options connected to the Bluetooth. We can also show visual feedback for taps and so on and so on. So we've got a lot of options, a lot of settings to customize. So in order to turn on the feature, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it is immediately activated and applied. Obviously you can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on the switcher. So if you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, and if you'd like to turn them off, just tap on the switcher at the very top. As you can see, most of the options are inactive, and after getting back you can see that the developer options simply disappeared. But obviously no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.